Number 19 on the ASVAB says, David donates 4/13 of his paycheck to his favorite charity. If he donates $26.80, what is the amount of his paycheck? So the way that you would do this is you would take the total amount. All right, we'll just say T for total. All right, then we would multiply that by 4/13, and that would tell you the $26.80 that we'd be looking at. But in this case, we have this as the answer, so we actually have to divide this by the fraction to get T by itself to find out the total amount he's making. Well, dividing by a fraction is just multiplying by the reciprocal. What does that mean? It means you take that number and you flip it upside down, that's the reciprocal, and then you can multiply by the guy over here, and that will give us our final answer. The problem is, this is not pretty to do without a calculator, so I guess we'll go ahead and start off by dividing this whole thing by 4, and then we'll multiply by the 13. So dividing by 4, let's see, 4 goes into 26, because it doesn't go into the 2. It goes into 26, let's see, 24 times 6, so 6 times, being 24, holding 2 to carry over. And then it goes into, 4 goes into 28, 7 times, even, so that's going to be 670. Now we have 670 by dividing this guy by 4, and we need to multiply that by that 13. So multiply that by 13. All right, well, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 7, you know what, let's just, well, no, we're going to need to do exact. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 6 is going to give me 18, plus 2 is 20. Then we have the 0 from there. Then we have that 0. We have a 7, and we have a 6. Adding these up, we got 1, 7, 8. It looks like our total is going to be 8710, which is going to be answer C.